Hey guys, welcome back to the Glam Studio. I'm your makeup artist Resham, and today I'm gonna attempt finishing my makeup with only this little guy, which is our makeup blender. And so I hope I don't do a really bad job, but I'm gonna start with my contour and I'm gonna use the Showstopper palette. I'm gonna dip this into the bronzer. And this is a little wet, so this might be more intense than you normally see it. I'm just gonna turn it around and try to blend this into the rest of my makeup. That's actually not looking that bad. I'm gonna add more product. Because this is a powder, it's gonna look patchy with the makeup, but I'm gonna do my best to blend this out. Now I'm gonna do the same thing and add some on my forehead. And I'm gonna blend it into my hairline. This is looking very patchy, but if I use the side without too much product and just like try to tap that out, it looks like it's working fine, I guess. I can look a little bit more tan today since there's so much product on this thing. I don't know when I'll only have this thing to do my makeup with, but at least I'll know that I can in the future if I had to. This is looking very orange. It's fine. I can blend this out. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Game Face contour and I'm gonna put that on my jawline. The good thing about this is that it has a lot of clean edges that I can keep using for different areas of my face. So I don't have to keep changing like brushes and stuff, which is quite nice. Okay, I think that's blended. Now I'm gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna use the blush from the Game Face palette. And now I'm gonna use the pointy side and dip that into the blush and just okay, now go in with the clean side and try to blend out those edges. This is actually not going as horribly as I thought it would. So for things with the same product, I'm making sure to use the same edge so that I can save more cleaner edges for different parts of my face. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bronzer side again and I'm gonna try to blend that into the blush a little bit. Okay, I hope that worked. Is my blush looking even? I don't think so. Okay, that's better. I'll just like overdo it with the blush today, even though I never do this. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to highlighter because I feel like that will fix everything or just blind people into thinking my makeup is good today. So I'm gonna use the Game Face one again and use a clean side. Try to get some highlighter on there. Actually, this works out pretty well because sometimes I like to do my highlighter with a beauty blender anyways. So it's fine. Okay. It's just really hard to control where the product is going. But I know this is only gonna get harder from here because my eye is such a like smaller area. This is gonna get really hard. I feel like there's so much pressure on me right now. Are using my fingers cheating? I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna take the excess product onto my brow bone. Just because my glow will hide all the flaws behind it. Okay. Is that blended? Okay, I'm just gonna move on to my eyes and I'm gonna attempt something super easy. So again, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and just put this all over my crease. This is making me really sad because I know I'm gonna fail now. Okay. Is there even product? Okay, I'm gonna use the pointy side and try this way. Okay, now I can see something. I'm trying to get it all the way to my inner corner. And I guess if I look that way, it makes it easier. Now I'm gonna try my other eye. So I'm like trying to pinch the like pointy part to like fit into my eye socket so I can deepen up my crease a little bit. Okay, I think you can see stuff. Now I'm gonna use the Mocha Loca palette and use this brown shade and try to deepen up what's on my lid. That's actually not that bad. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Because I put like a transition color in, it's helping me blend this color pretty easily so I don't have to try really hard. So that was pretty quick. Now I'm gonna take that highlighter color that's in there and put that on my inner corner, which is I got it! Yeah. I'm also just gonna try to deepen up my lower lash line, which I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna look up and try to get the point and just blend it out, I guess, a little bit. And then I'm just going to, oh my god, this is just, I'm gonna go down. So actually the point on this is really good to get underneath, but now I can see like the inner corner highlight down there too. So I'll just turn it around. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna do lipstick. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna just take the tube of lipstick, and this is in the shade Two Broke Girls from the Lit collection. And I guess I'm just gonna take this pointy part and just keep building on product on top of that, and then try to put my lipstick on. Okay, it's really hard to define your edges, so go with like a light color that can just look like your natural lip color. So this is the perfect nude for that. Okay, I think that brought enough color back into my lips. So this is my end result, or my attempt at doing my entire makeup with this beauty blender. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!